How's it going everyone, Space Life here. In today's episode we're going to be harvesting loads of pretty cool vegetables that we've been growing this year. We've got a nice variety as well. We won't be harvesting all of them right now because some aren't ready, but there's plenty of nice ones that are. I'm sure some of you have seen the beetroot video where I cooked some of them in the garden. They were really tasty. So yeah, let's get on with the video. And it's only fair, as my girlfriend's put so much hard work into this garden as well, she gets to help pick. So there's a really nice beetroot down here.
Filming, pulling them out.
But it's a nice looking beetroot.
It was heavy as well.
Yeah. Oh, butterflies. Also, another great thing about beetroot is you can actually eat the leaves as well. You can put them in soups, salads, anything. So none of this is going to go to waste. So it's time to show you our carrots, and you can see down here they're looking pretty good. Got one in here ready to grab. It's not the biggest carrot in the world, but I can guarantee there's so much flavour packed into this. So we've got a ripe yellow courgette down here. It's looking really good.
And stinging nettles too.
So many yellow courgettes on this plant. Nice.
And there's one down here that needs picking too.
Loads of stinging nettles. Nice.
Oh,
That does look like a huge turnip.
so many leaves.
Oh, is it hard to pull out?
Stamping.
Look at that thing. That's cool. Another thing that we have never grown in this garden.
But look at that overkill
turnip.
of leaf.
Yeah, a little bit. It definitely puts mine to shame though. So here we have it, guys. So we're just going to be eating a few of these tasty things in a bit. The carrots might look small, but there's so much flavour packed into them. But yeah, thanks for watching everyone. If you get a chance, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.